let's make 3-ingredient Nutella fudge. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. Begin with your sweetened condensed milk. This is one 14-ounce can, which is right around 400 grams, 396 grams to be precise. And I'm going to pour this in a microwave-safe bowl because I'm going to be heating this up in the microwave, but you could also just pour this in a pot and heat it up on the stovetop if you do not want to use the microwave. Fantastic. And now in the microwave this goes, and we're going to heat it on high for about 2.5 to 3 minutes until it gets nice and bubbly and really hot. And if you're doing it on the stovetop, in a pot, the sweetened condensed milk goes, and you heat it on medium heat, on the burner set to medium heat, and it's going to take quite a while, probably 5 to 10 minutes, to heat it up to where it gets super hot and really bubbly and foamy. All right, it's all hot and bubbly. In my microwave, it's a 1200 watt microwave, and 2.5 minutes is perfect. And now I have 2¼ cups of milk chocolate chips, but you can use dark chocolate chips, you can use semi-sweet chocolate chips, and you can use chocolate bars too, which is right around 400 grams. So it's about an equal amount weight-wise, chocolate to sweetened condensed milk. And then I'm going to take my spatula here and I'm going to press this down in there, just so the hot sweetened condensed milk covers this chocolate. And now I'll just let it sit for about 5 minutes or so, undisturbed. Once the chocolate has time to sit in the hot sweetened condensed milk, we want to take our Nutella, the star of this dish, and we want right around 1/2 cup, or about 150 grams. And it does not have to be exact. A lot of times I don't even measure, but we'll just take some. I'm gonna just fill up my cup here. And now let's give this a good stir. Nice, thick fudge. It's going to resemble like a thick brownie batter. See that? And the more you stir, it'll smooth out a little bit. Like, it may not feel like it's smooth at the beginning, but as you stir more, it'll get nice and smooth. Okay, look at that, looking amazing. And now I'm going to take a 7 by 11 inch pan here, and I lined it with a sheet of parchment paper. You could use wax paper. And I put a little oil on the bottom of the pan just to keep that paper in place. And you can also use an 8 by 8 inch pan as well. And just pour this all out into this pan. And we'll just push it down and spread it out. And there we go. Into the refrigerator it goes for 1 to 2 hours, maybe even longer, until it sets. And once the fudge has set, we can cut it into squares. One reason why I love using the parchment paper is you can just pull it right out of the pan. And here we go. There we go. 3-ingredient Nutella fudge. I'm gonna pick up this square right here. Look at that. Give it a bite. Mmm. It is so good. Not a super overpowering Nutella flavor, just enough. And it's so good, easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to eat the rest of this. Oh yeah.